In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow pop-ups in Google Chrome. Pop-ups are usually blocked by Chrome to protect you from unwanted ads or malicious content, but some trustworthy sites, like banking portals, school platforms, or secure tools, use pop-ups for sign-ins, downloads, or system prompts. I'll walk you through how to allow them safely and quickly. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner of the window for the three vertical dots. This is the menu. Click it, then choose Settings. This opens the main settings page where we can adjust what websites are allowed to do in your browser. On the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section controls things like cookies, permissions, and safe browsing features. We're going here because pop-ups are considered a site permission, and Chrome groups all those controls together. Now click Site Settings. Think of this as the command center for what websites can access, your location, camera, notifications, and, importantly for us, pop-ups. If you've ever wondered where to fine-tune how sites behave, this is the place. Scroll until you find pop-ups and redirects, then click it. Redirects are when a site tries to send you to a different page automatically. Chrome usually treats these similarly to pop-ups because they can sometimes be intrusive. On this page, you'll see whether pop-ups are blocked or allowed by default. To allow them, switch the setting so that sites can send pop-ups and redirects is enabled. Depending on your version of Chrome, this may be a toggle or a radio button. Once you turn it on, Chrome will permit pop-ups across sites. If you're doing this to complete a task on a specific site, you can keep this setting on just long enough to get the job done, then come back and switch it back to the safer blocked option afterward. A quick tip for better control: instead of allowing pop-ups everywhere, you can allow them only for a site you trust using the site-specific controls on this same page. That way, you stay protected while still letting the site you need function properly. If a pop-up still doesn't appear, refresh the page and try the action again. Some pop-ups only trigger when you repeat the original click after changing the setting. And that's it. You've enabled pop-ups in Google Chrome and learned how to manage them thoughtfully. Remember, because pop-ups can be used for spam or scams, only allow them for websites you trust. When you're finished, consider returning to block the rest of the web for a safer browsing experience.